Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty on Nifty on the basis of Y, change in Y. We will also check out the trend cycle, max span and PCR for Bank Nifty and Nifty. First, we will start with Bank Nifty. Now we will check the closing price of Bank Nifty. It was on 21,338.10 on the Friday. Now we will find out the trading range for Bank Nifty. Trading range is the range between highest call and highest put. Highest call will act as the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for Bank Nifty. Here we can go through this column to find out the highest call. Here we can say 6,18,000 contracts open with 1,66,000 contracts added today, last day only, is at 22,000 strike, followed by here we can see 4,99,460 contracts are open at 23,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest resistance, and this is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty. And if we talk about the immediate resistance, then this can be the immediate resistance, as here we can see around 4 lakh contracts open at 21,500. So 21,500 going to be the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. And also if we talk about change in Y, then we can see here around 1,05,000 contracts change in Y here at 21,300. So these are the important level as far as concerned with the resistance. Now we will go through put and find out where is the highest put. For this purpose we will go through this column. Here we can see around 7,86,000 contracts are open at 20,000 strike. So this is the highest put, whereas second highest put is here. We can see 5,24,000 contracts at 19,000. So this is the first support if Nifty fall, highest support. And if we talk about the immediate support, then here we can see the immediate support at 21,000. 21,000 has the immediate support for the Bank Nifty, as it has around 4,65,000 contracts open, as well as in change in Y it has around 2,59,000 contracts. So this is the immediate support. And change also we have very good change in Y at 20,000 strike. So this is going to be an important support as well. So now if we talk about the range, then range can be 20,000 to 22,000, keeping the pivot level at 21,000. 21,000 is the pivot level, whereas the upper level is 22,000, lower level may be the 20,000. So below 21,000 Nifty will try, Bank Nifty will try to go to 20,500 and then 20,000, whereas above 21,000 it will try to check and test 21,500 and 22,000 strike. So all 21,000 is make and break level for Bank Nifty. And we talk about the net change in call side. We can see the green. This indicates the call buying was there last day. So this is sign of a bullish sign in the market. And also if you see this this red indicates the bearish sign, bullish sign in market as well, because this indicates the put writing, this indicates the call buying. So these two are indicates the bullishness in Bank Nifty on OI basis. Now we will also check out the trend cycle for the Bank Nifty. Before that I will move towards Bank Nifty and try to find out what is going on Nifty. First we'll check out the trend. Here we come at Nifty, and first we will check out the closing price of Nifty. Here 10,244.4 is the last closing price. Now we will find out the closing trading range for the Nifty, and we are talking about the 25th June expiry, that is the monthly expiry of June. For finding trading range, we have to find out the highest call and highest put for Nifty. Highest call will act as the highest resistance, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for the Nifty. Here we can go through this column, then we can see around 34 lakh contracts are here at 10,500, followed by around 31,000 contracts at 11,000. So this is the highest resistance, whereas the immediate resistance for the Nifty is 10,300. Here we can see around 25 lakh contracts are open, and this around 4,59,000 contracts are headed, and 10,400 we can also see some good addition of OI in change in OI. Now this range, if you see closely, these all are indication of call writing, and this can be a tough competition for bulls, as we have here we can see some resistance. Now if we go through this column to find out where is the highest put, we can see here around 9,900 it has 37 lakh contracts, here 39 lakh contracts, and here 40 lakh contracts at 9,500. So 9,500 is the highest support for the Nifty, whereas 10,000 is going to be the second highest support. And if you see these strike, these all are showing very good support for Nifty. And also where here we can see around 17 lakh contracts, here we can see 10 lakh contracts. So these are going to be the immediate support for the Nifty as well. So and change in Y, here we can see 10,100, and here at 10,200. These two levels have very good change in Y, so this can be important as well. Now if we talk about the pivot level, then 10,200 can be the pivot level for the Nifty edge. It has 17 lakh contracts here and 10 lakh contracts here. So this is the pivot level. Above this, Nifty will try to go towards 10,300 and 10,400, whereas if it go beyond below this, then it can go towards 10,150 and 10,100. So this is going to be the make and break level. And if we see the net change, this is green. Actually this is not LTP, it is net change. This is, you will see this indicates the call buying, the bullishness, and this is indicates the put buy, put selling, that also indicates the bullishness for the market Nifty. So overall on OI, Nifty looks bullish. However, the here we can see tough competition in resistance and tough competition in support as well. So seems Nifty bullish. Let's see. We will also check out the trend cycle for both of it. For that purpose, we will go towards our blog, and I will put the link so you can also check out in the video description. Here we will check the max span. Max span of Bank Nifty has increased, and also the Nifty has increased. This show the bullishness, bullish sign as well. Now if we go through Bank Nifty trend cycle, see this cycle is mixed, and also see the Nifty cycle. This Nifty cycle is also looks like mixed. So overall on trend cycle, I am a little suspective. However on OI and other data, Bank Nifty and Nifty looks little bullish, but trend cycle says a fight may be there between bulls and bears. So we can see some wild swing in both sides. So this is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, Please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.